okay, here I have some in my pocket, and I think there's some.
Table?
Huh?
Are those from the table?
They're from.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
I don't know. I found them in the camper.
Oh, okay.
So.
I think we're about good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can swing over, get the dogs, and then
Check out.
Yep, roll over to pass.
Warm up my pasta.
Yep. I think I'm gonna make those little egg sandwiches.
You already loaded up her stuff? The
I
umbrella?
just have the chairs left.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Well, Cottage, thank you for housing us for these few days. Just a few more things to pick up, and then we are going to be heading out. I think we did good, yeah?
Come in.
Hi.
Ready to roll? It's hot. It's warm. Yeah. Get Zulu in first.
Yeah. This is my first time picking up the camera today because I forgot it. Made it to Shayna's house. Right now we're about to go to like a local spot here, get some drinks, have some food maybe, it depends. Probably come back here, chill out, maybe play a game or two, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I finally got my AirPods fixed. Jamie and I got our rings inspected today, finally feeling a little bit more caught up on things. I'm just trying to relax, some anxiety off, and in the moment as much as possible. The joys of parenthood never stop, no matter where you are. Our original plan was just to simply head downtown and head to a tap room. But as soon as we arrived, we noticed that there was a local event occurring called Camp the Alley, where local musicians were playing covered bands ranging from jazz to modern hits. And we also had fun at the local tap room where we enjoyed beverages from the local area. It was a great family-friendly location where the girls played board games and we just hung out and had fun. Hello from Lawrenceville, Georgia. We got in to my friend Kara's house around 9-something this morning and just got busy with finishing up the podcast. Jamie had a virtual appointment. Kara and I, we went to the store, got some snacks and drinks, got back, showered the kids, showered myself. Also, we decorated for our little pajama party that we're gonna have later tonight. I'm so excited. I'm not sure when people are supposed to get here, but I'm happy that I was able to shower and get dressed and feel a little bit more like myself. I guess I'll show you the little decor that's Kara got that we set up, and yeah, I'm just excited to hang out with all of these people that I just adore and love, and some I'm going to be meeting for the first time and some I'm going to be seeing again. So it's a nice, like, kind of like to round off our trip, it's a nice end to our trip to be surrounded by these people that we love. Electronic music and stuff, and
we're pretty chill with everything other than like
Oh yeah.
So
don't put it on the playlist I made yesterday.
Yeah. Specifically for this occasion.
Nope. You knew we'd be riding with you.
Yeah.
Just sensed it, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I like that one.
it's Beyonce, babe.
I know. Ooh, I got a song for you.
Yeah.
What's that Dive one, babe? That we just,
Dive.
Is it called Dive?
Yes.
Okay. You have Spotify or what do you all use?
Got Apple Music.
Okay. That's a little bit more
Dive.
high tech than me.
The perfect place for all of us adults to hang out and have fun. This was a great bonding experience for all of us and has only strengthened our friendship.
Also, check out the cord.
I see it. That is danger.
Oh gosh. We cannot. We have no container. I know exactly where a container is actually.
Oh, that's perfect. A great day out at Margaritaville in the water park. It was awesome. Okay, it was amazing. In the sun, laughing, talking, just connecting with each other. And then tonight, I'm so sad, but we're finishing up tonight with a little mini like barbecue, fire, drinks, games, and just, I'm gonna miss this. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna miss all of you. Yes. It's been, honestly, this is like my favorite day of the trip. My favorite day.